Oh, hey, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris with PNWRCMADNess, and today, guys, I got an unboxing for you. Okay, well, not everybody knows, but GPM does make a few of my parts. They make my X brace, and they make my chassis brace for the X-Max, the lower chassis brace. First, I just want to start off by thanking all of my customers, all my friends, all my supporters, everybody and anybody who supports PNWRCMADNess locally, domestically, and internationally as far as Australia. Okay, first things first, guys. I just want to say, you see me on here with my Traxxas X-Maxes and my Traxxas XRTs making videos about upgrades, about products. And the one thing I do want to say is I actually test and tune every single part and product that I put on my trucks. And I will be very honest, if I don't like them, or if I think they're no good, or they're not going to last, guys, I'm not carrying them, I'm not selling them, and I'm not letting you guys see them on the interwebs at all, on my Facebook, YouTube, none of that. So this is not a normal unboxing, and this is probably why it's my first one. And I opened up my box today and I found this red letter with a golden tab holding it shut. So I want to open it up and show you guys what it says, and I'm just going to read it out loud. So come on in and let's see what it says. Okay, check this out, guys. A little thank you note. There is the card. I'm not sure what it says. It just says 2026. I'm not sure. And then opening it up, there is a heartfelt message from Eve Lee with GPM. Dear Chris, as the Lunar New Year approaches, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for your trust and cooperation. I wish you and your team a happy, healthy, and prosperous Lunar New Year. May this new year bring you vitality and continue to bring you outstanding achievements in all your endeavors. I look forward to continuing our excellent working relationship in the future. And then it says, with warmest regards, Eve Lee. Guys, GPM is a family-run company, family values. They're not a huge corporation. Obviously, they're working with me, just little old PNW over here in the speck of the map. So this is huge for me. I absolutely love it. I love my relationship with them, guys. Enough of that. I don't want to cry or anything, but let's get in the box and see what we got today. Chris, you guys can find me at www.pnwrcmadness.com. I'll definitely leave the links in the description below. I sell parts for mainly Traxxas, a few Losi, and a few Arma trucks, but mainly X-Maxes and XRTs. That's my main focus, and that's basically all the branded parts that I have are for the X-Max and the XRT so far. Now, if you reach out to me, sometimes I leave my phone number in the videos, 253-230-2661. Hit me up personally with a text, and I will give you guys a discount code, small discount code, and save a little bit on your next purchase. Okay, first things first, what do we have in the box? Well, guys, these are mine, but we do carry these on my website. I'll leave a link for these, and I'm actually going to be doing a video. My next video, hopefully very shortly, will be on these GPM dual rated shocks with working reservoirs. Guys, these reservoirs are awesome. We were almost out of the GPM side guards, side rails, Nerf bars, whatever you want to call them. I was out of diff cases. Guys, these are the single piece cases. I build diffs for guys. You can find that on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below. Here we have all of the outdrives. These are the updated ones. Let me show you guys the updated outdrives. All right, I'm not sure if you can see those or not on the camera. Try to hold still for a second, but the ring right there is twice as wide as the first version. I've been selling these now for, I don't know, 6 months or so, but check them out. There's the part number, STXM8039N-BK. You guys can type that in the search bar on my website, and it'll pull up. What else do we have in here? All right, guys, we got a bunch of plus 12s. I sell a ton of these. These are going to be if you have like a Traxxas X-Max Ultimate or XRT Ultimate. They have aluminum hubs, and you guys want to run Magmas, which I have as well. You're going to need these plus 12s. You're going to need 2 sets, front and rear. So here they are up close. They are steel and plus 12. There's the 12 millimeter right there. So it's 12 millimeters longer. That way your hub isn't hitting the knuckle on the aluminum Ultimates. And I have all different colors available. We got green here as an example, and that's part number TXM8 plus 1210/JT-G. I'm not really sure what this is. It's not my normal order. Let's see what we got. Yeah! What? Oh, look at that, guys. Oh, man. Thank you so much, Eve. Thank you so much, Eve Lee. You guys are amazing. I'm going to get this out of the package right now before we continue on. Okay, let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing. Thank you so much, Claire Fung. You guys are absolutely the best. I'm not just saying that, but you guys really are. I cannot even believe it. So check it out. I think you guys can find these on the GPM website. I do not carry these, but you guys are probably wondering what it is. So drum roll, please. All right, here we go. Let's get it out of the package. Actually, guys, check this out. This comes in a nice foam case. I think I know what it is. I've seen them online. I just seen them made, but I think this is the way we got to get it out. Yeah, this thing doesn't split apart, so it's going to come out just like that. And wow, guys, this thing is absolutely mammoth. Wow. Big, beefy. I'm going to put it on the scale really quick. Let's see what else we got here. I'm not quite sure what this is. These look like little dividers. Guys, I'm going to have to find a link for these as well because this thing is awesome. Man, so awesome. Let's continue the unboxing, and I'm going to show you guys this at the end of the video. Really hope I have what I need in here because, well, it looks like I do. I think so. I'm not sure. All right, so guys, check it out. We got the, this is the Mod 1.6 spiral cut gears, front and rear, and it comes with your pinions, and it also comes with the bearing and the ring, the snap ring. And I've made a ton of videos on how to install the snap ring, so go ahead and check out my YouTube channel. But not least, I'm really hoping there's some spider gears in here, which I am not seeing. I'm not seeing no spider gears. Last but not least, guys, all right, there it is. So we got the motor plates. This is for your stock motors when you guys are using a belt drive for stock kit. And then we got the motor mount shims. Got these back in stock. And a couple more small items, some shock caps, and for your X-Max, we also just got the steering support bracket. Okay, really quick, like I said, I'm going to show you guys this thing and what it comes with. Well, I think they come in all colors. I decided for blue. They did ask me, guys, but I forgot they were sending it to me. So anyways, it's going to come with these little dividers. And all you're going to do is peel off the sticky stuff, and underneath it's going to be a nice black piece of plastic. All right, there we go. So these are inserts. It's going to have 4 inserts. They're going to be black. Just got to remove the protective coating, and then you guys could use this however you want. For example, say you want to just leave this on your desk, on your computer desk, maybe on your pit table. Check it out. Little CalRC Loctite in there. So we could fill it up with maybe some Loctite and some oils. Maybe bring it to the track. That's what I'll probably do. Say I want to bring it to the track and I want to maybe stick my oil in there and my Loctite. And then maybe I want to stick a couple of my quick tips in there. Guys, it's endless. I could stick them in there like this. So along with the little dividers it comes with, it's going to come with 3 rubber feet. So go ahead and flip it upside down and then check it out, guys. These dividers, they just come right out. So you can use them if you want, or you don't have to use them. And then take a look inside. I'll show you that up close here in a second. Let me put the feet on. Now I should have cleaned this with a little bit of Moo Clean degreaser, but I didn't. I got a feeling they'll stick though, so I'm going to stick one right down the center. I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Alright, there you go. So now you got some non-stick pads, and look at that. It's not sliding anywhere anymore. Say you just want to put your tools in there and bring it, just leave it on your pit bench, you could do that. So let's go ahead and take my quick tips out. Let's see if they fit in these holes. Okay, there we go. Oh, that's nice. So I can balance my quick tips in there if I wanted. So when you get to the track, say when you get to the track you just want to take out a few tools. Just the main ones that you use. You can go ahead and do something like this maybe. You do something like that. That's pretty awesome. And then maybe say in the center you want to put your tire glue and your Loctite, and say maybe like your wheel wrench on the other side. Guys, this thing is sweet. Man, there's probably a million different ways you could use this thing, but thank you GPM, thank you Eve, thank you to the whole entire team at GPM. I'm gonna meet you guys one of these days soon. I can't wait for that day, and keep working hard, and you guys are blowing it out of the water. 2 thumbs up. I'd give you 10 thumbs up, but yeah guys, thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe, leave me a comment below, and I will catch you guys on the next one.